Welcome everyone to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to be showing you around the exterior of the car. I'm also going to talk you through some of the major talking points and features of this 430D M Sport Gran Coupe that's in Alpine White. Alongside being finished in that very sought after colour, it has of course been fitted with a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit. Alongside that, we've added the 20-inch Mperformance style alloys that are all brand new with brand new tyres, as you can see there, and they look very nice set against the Alpine White. Down the side of the car, it does of course also include the gloss black air breathers, satin side vinyls, matching sidebars, and of course the YNC Mperformance decals, and also does have the optional extra sun protection glazing. And I'm going to show you around, and there you can see down the side of the car, the Alpine White of this vehicle does look very nice and is all in very good condition. The interior is the very nice black Dakota leather and comes with both the heated, electric movement and memory for driver's side, and once again all is in fantastic condition and does make for a very nice colour contrast of that of the exterior colour. We've got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox alongside the aluminium hexagon with Estrel blue accent trim. For your rear seat configuration, you do find the Isofix 3-seat rear bench and a centre folding armrest, along with the very nice darkened M Sport headlining once again, which is always in very nice condition. You'll see there, again showing you off these stunning alloys. At the back of the car, we've added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and a matching diffuser. It's a 2017 17 plate car, so it does also come with the facelift, as you can see there by the facelifted rear lights, and also of course a facelifted front headlight, which I'll show you in just one second. Opening up the tailgate there, you can see just how large the boot space is, alongside the fact that both partial shelves can be removed. Also, you do have split folding seats, so of course further enhance that space. Round at the other side of the car, again I can show you that the Alpine White does work very nicely with all of the additions we've made here, and of course those alloys being a very standout feature. And I'm shortly going to take you on inside the car and just run yourselves through a couple of the interior features. Just of course starting with the professional wide navigation and media screen. Currently, we've got the multimedia / radio screen up, and of course you can see there you do get a wide array of different inputs, including DAB, music collection, CD, DVD, and of course USB and Bluetooth audio. Moving over to the satellite navigation, which utilises real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. We've also got Bluetooth telephone, of course, not forgetting that, and if we hit the home screen button, there we can see, and we'll go shortly into the service information and service history for the car. Dual climate control, along with our switches for our heated seats, and as of course I know I did mention, it has got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. We've also got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. This 430D has covered just over 29,000 miles and it is in fantastic condition, as hopefully I've been able to show you during this video. It's not due a service for 17,000 miles, and at the top there you'll be able to see that we've got full BMW service history included in that. So hopefully guys, you've enjoyed this walk around and I've been able to show you all around the car in good enough detail. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the walk around video, and hopefully guys we'll see yourselves very, very soon. Just one last thing, of course I did say I'd show you those front facelifted headlights. There you go. Thank you very much, and hopefully, like I say, we'll see yourselves very, very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you and goodbye.